In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to clear browsing history on Safari in iPhone. I'll show you two different ways to do that. In first way, directly go to your Safari browser. From your Safari browser, tap on this icon at the bottom. In here, you have to select this history option. Then tap on this three dot, tap on clear, and here, clear time frame. You can just go ahead and select a time frame from here. If you want to clear all time browsing history, select all history. And then just tap on clear history and your Safari browser history will be deleted. And the second option is go to your iPhone settings, tap on search and type here Safari. Open Safari app in settings. In Safari settings, scroll down and here you get this clear history and website data option. Tap on that. And the same way, just go ahead and select your time frame and you can select profile from here and then tap on clear history and your Safari browsing history will be deleted. Thanks for watching.